Long side, there were two prices very, very close to each other, so two possible recent entries. If you will recall, right after the live event, I talked about the euro here. It never gave us a hand. It's nowhere close to giving us a weave, just a very strong uptrend. So we had a couple of hands on the way up, and a period of trending, another couple of hands on the way up, maybe another period of trending coming up. It goes this fast, folks. Also, there's no radical change here. You can see that price and the moving average are pretty much just following the same line. Okay, here's the British pound starting to get close to a weave. Okay, no weave yet. You can see that the moving average has crossed once, but again, it's not giving us the weaving in and out. Okay, we do have one hand there and one hand there. Okay, so the beginnings of the box. Here's the Canadian dollar. If you look here, we've got a hand from back here, which the market has broken through. There's also a hand right there. I don't like to go back more than about 3 to 4 weeks when I'm looking for a hand. So coming back into this one from late September, I wouldn't be looking at here or really anything back. Okay, the first part of October, even this one is starting to get pretty far back. This is one of those moves where, for the most part, it stayed right with the moving average, finally fell off right there. You got the wide range bar closing in above the halfway point for the aggressive trader, and then the bloody thing just took off. Okay, but at this point, nothing really to do. Here's a Swiss franc, same thing as the Canadian, solid downtrend, but also following the average price. Nothing really to do here. Moving along lockstep and in tandem. Finally, here's the Japanese yen. If you did manage to get the videos, there were two entries right there. At the time, had entry from back here as well. This one, again, just a little bit too far back. At the time, though, this was at the time of this entry. That one, this hand here was valid. Now, this is one that threw us for a bit of a loop. We had the radical change here. The market gave us the wide range bar, closed in the upper half. Then it gave us the breakout here. Market moved up, put us in a profit, and then pooped out. Stopped out here. Conservative traders took a little bit of a loss. Aggressive traders are probably right about break even. But this is what's typical about trending markets. If you do it right, meaning you take small positions here, when the market does finally break and you take the larger position, the first small position and then the big position right here, you've now got, what is this market at? 109, 108.3. You've got your biggest position on from right there. So again, you may have one lot, one or two, and then 4 or 5, 3, 4, or 5 on right there. And the market is giving you a big shot in the arm from right there, another hand right there, so you might have another position of 2 that's in the black just a little bit. And now we're just kind of waiting to see what's going to happen here. We did have, I think, the biggest move in the yen pairs. They're just really starting to trend. And we'll cover some of the other pairs come next Wednesday. But I just wanted to give a quick recap of what we talked about and what some of the questions were during this first live session. Again, I am recording this after the event because I had no sound. So I look forward to talking with you again next Wednesday. I hope you had a profitable week, and I hope you have a great weekend. God bless you.